Okay, I don't know if this is recording. We'll see when I get done. This is my first video I've made of this. And this is my Conjure Ice Blades Blizzard build. Um, I'm having so much fun on it. Level 70, doing World Tour 4 like it's nothing. Um, you need this imprint for Blizzard, and this also really helps with Ice Blades reducing its cooldown, as well as this one. And essentially, you always have barriers up. You want to use all your cooldowns, and every time Ice Blades attacks, you lower your cooldowns, and every cooldown gives you more barriers, and you just keep getting more Ice Blades. Um, I don't know how to do an in-depth video on that, but I hope y'all enjoy it. Bye.